friends, once again welcome you all. Today in this video lesson we are going to learn or discuss about the another important topic of English grammar is that transformation of sentences. So what did you know about the transformation of sentences and in English grammar, and where we have to follow few of the terms related to these sentences. So transformation of sentences means change in the form of the sentence without changing its meaning or sense. It means that the same thought can be expressed in different ways. Here we can see the definition related to transformation of sentences is that to transform a sentence is to change it from one grammatical form to another without altering its sense. Now here we can see few of the various methods of transformation of sentences. We can see here very first term is that by removing the adverb to. By using the adverb to in the sentences to transform it, by interchange of the degrees of comparison, by interchange of affirmative means positive or negative statement, by interchange of assertive and interrogative sentences, by interchange of assertive and exclamatory sentences, by interchange of one part of speech for another, and by interchange of principal and subordinate clause, by conversion of simple sentence to compound sentence, and many more of the terms are related to transform the sentences according to their rules and the given conditions. So here we are going to see few of the sentences by removing the adverb to. In which condition or in which of the terms we are going to remove adverb to from the sentences, and what we are going to add it in the place of to over there in the sentence. We can see here the very first term is that the adverb to when followed by an infinitive, that is to and the first form of the verb, it implies a negative meaning. What it implies? Negative meaning. Second term is that to transform it, convert the sentence into two clauses. In the first clause, we will replace to with so and begin the second clause with that. Once again I repeat it. To transform it or to transform the sentence, we will convert the sentence into two clauses. In the first clause, we will replace to with so and begin the second clause of the sentence with that. Another term we can see here, that is the second clause will contain cannot or could not as per the tense form of the verb used in the sentence. Third term we can see here, that is if the sentence begins with any indefinite pronoun like it, the second clause begins with one, we, you, I and none as per the sense of the sentence. Another term we can see here, that is if the adverb to is not followed by an infinitive, we will remove in that sense to and use very, over, extremely, more than enough, beyond the proper limit and so on. Once again I repeat it. If the adverb to is not followed by an infinitive, in that case we will remove to and use very, over, extremely, more than enough, beyond the proper limit and so on. Here we can see few of the examples related to represent the transformation of sentences according to by removing the adverb to and by using the adverb to. He is too weak to walk. So, how we will transform this sentence? He is so weak that he cannot walk. In this manner, we are going to transform this sentence by removing adverb to. And by using the adverb to, we can see here the example, that is, he is so busy that he cannot come. So, he is too busy to come. In this manner, we are going to follow or use few of the terms with the transformation of sentences. I hope you all understand what I want to deliver you through this lesson. Thank you very much.